Honda makes the list again with the Shadow 750. A cruiser so durable, it's almost boring. Mechanics joke that you'll get tired before this bike ever will. Reliable, smooth, and timeless. We begin with the Royal Enfield Meteor 350. Simple, strong, and dependable. Mechanics love it because it rarely breaks down and parts are cheap. It's a bike that delivers calm cruising and timeless style for years without worry. Next is the Honda Goldwing, a masterpiece of engineering that defines reliability. Its smooth six-cylinder engine runs forever. Mechanics call it the flying couch because it never quits and keeps riders comfortable no matter the distance. Then we have the Honda Rebel 500. It's light, easy to maintain, and built like a tank. The engine is simple yet bulletproof. Mechanics admire how it handles abuse without complaint and still runs like new. The Triumph Street Twin combines British elegance with mechanical simplicity. Its parallel twin engine is well-balanced, reliable, and surprisingly easy to service. Mechanics say it's one of the smoothest bikes they've worked on. Yamaha's XSR700 is a mechanic's dream. Lightweight, minimal electronics, and that legendary CP2 engine that never dies. It's fast, fun, and built to last even after tens of thousands of miles. The Suzuki SV650 might be the most praised bike by mechanics ever. Its V-twin engine runs forever. Oil changes are cheap and parts are everywhere. It's the bike that just refuses to die. The Yamaha V-Star 250 proves that small bikes can be tough too. It's incredibly easy to maintain with an air-cooled V-twin that keeps running no matter what mechanics call it. The little warrior. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is built with simplicity at its core. Its old-school charm with new-age reliability. Mechanics love how easy it is to work on and how few things can actually go wrong. Finally, the Kawasaki Vulcan S, modern, versatile, and durable. Its parallel twin engine is bulletproof, and maintenance is straightforward. Mechanics respect it for combining power, reliability, and comfort perfectly.